In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-admit participants on Google Meet. This feature can save you significant time and make your meetings flow more smoothly, eliminating the need to manually approve each participant. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and head over to meet.google.com. This is the starting point for accessing Google Meet, and it's essential to ensure that you're on the correct page. If you haven't already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account. Simply enter your credentials and you'll be good to go. Having your Google account logged in is crucial for syncing extensions, so don't skip this step. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of your browser. You'll see the Google Apps icon, often referred to as the waffle icon because of its grid-like appearance. Click this icon to open a menu of Google services. From this menu, you'll need to select the Chrome Web Store. It should be one of the options available. In the web store, you'll find a search bar. Type in auto-admit and press enter to start your search. You're looking for an extension specifically named auto-admit for Google Meet. When you find it, click on the extension to open its detailed information page. This page provides you with specifics about what the extension does, ensuring it fits your needs before installing. Now you'll want to click the Add to Chrome button. A dialog box will appear confirming your choice to add the extension. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. This will integrate auto-admit directly into your browser, allowing it to work seamlessly with Google Meet. Once the extension is added, you'll notice a small icon appears in the extensions tray, usually found to the right of the address bar. Click on this extension icon. To make sure it's readily accessible, you'll want to pin it to your browser. Look for the pin icon next to auto-admit for Google Meet and click it. Pinning the extension ensures that it's always visible, which is super helpful for quick access whenever you're starting a meeting. With everything set up, you're ready to start or join a Google Meet. Open the Google Meet platform and create or join a meeting as you normally would. Now, when participants attempt to join, the auto-admit extension will automatically admit them, bypassing manual approvals and letting your meeting start with ease. By following these straightforward steps, you've enabled automatic participant admission in Google Meet, streamlining your meeting process and eliminating those pesky admission interruptions. Enjoy your seamless meetings.